In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Half-Life Alyx on MetaQuest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By following the instructions in this video, you will be able to play Half-Life Alyx on any MetaQuest headset. So I'm gonna be talking about the MetaQuest 3 primarily, but of course, the same instructions can be applied to other models. So, in order to do this, you will need to connect your MetaQuest headset to your PC. I recommend using a link cable for this. Any high-quality USB-C cable should also work. You can purchase a link cable officially from the Meta store, or like I said, just use any high-quality cable. You also have the option of using AirLink, but I would not recommend this. It relies on a Wi-Fi connection and it can be quite unstable. If you want to purchase a link cable, you can visit the Met website and then look for it here. Now, you will also need to purchase Half-Life Alyx through Steam, so it is not a standalone game. It must be purchased on Steam, ran on your computer, and then you will be able to play it when you have your MetaQuest 3 headset connected to your PC running the game. With Half-Life Alyx purchased, you should also download Steam VR. This is a free tool that allows you to run virtual reality games, so download this as well on the Steam store. And finally, download MetaQuest Link. This is the app that allows you to connect and set up your MetaQuest headset with your PC. Now, inside of the MetaQuest Link app, you will go over to the Devices category and choose the option to add a headset. Follow the instructions to add your MetaQuest headset. You will be able to choose between AirLink or link cable like I mentioned, and after it is done, go to the link option on the quick settings of the headset. By doing this, the screen of your computer will now be shared with your headset. You can also consider downloading the Steam Link app. To my knowledge, this isn't strictly needed, but you can use this if you want to have a wireless connection active. So you download the Steam Link app from the Meta Horizon store, and this should also give you access to Half-Life Alyx. If you aren't using the app, then after you initiate the Quest Link connection, you will run Steam VR by using the virtual reality view on the desktop, and by running Steam VR, you have access to your Steam library, including Half-Life Alyx, and you just make sure that your computer is running the game with the MetaQuest 3 headset connected. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.